What's up, Soul Squad? Happy Tuesday. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're doing a quick and easy meal. Not that many steps. A lot of people out there love it. Hamburger helper. But I'm doing it my way, not the box with the little man with the hand. You know we all love him. We're going to do it my way. But before we get started, guys, thank you so much for all the support. The book has been doing very, very, very well. So if you guys still haven't gotten a chance to get your book before the due date, which is June the 28th, my book will be out June the 28th. But remember, get those pre-orders in if you want the hard copy. And, excuse me, if you want the hard copy so that we can do a mini book tour. Now, the ebook will be available, but that won't be available until June the 28th. The ebook is $9.99, guys, but that's not available until the release date, June the 28th. Get your hard copy. You get 15% off now before June the 28th. Everything is in the link below. And don't forget to watch me on your Roku. New recipes. Something you don't see on YouTube. A lot more recipes. Guys, let's get started with this hamburger. I sound like an info commercial. It's like how I breathe. It's like I want to say click, start over. Okay. Hamburger helper my way. I have my noodles boiling. I wanted to go ahead and get those noodles boiling for you guys. It's just a 16-ounce box of macaroni. Why are you laughing? A 16-ounce box of macaroni noodles. And right here I got two. Let me turn the stove on.
Oh my God, Mom.
I got 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm going in with. I'm making kind of, it's not that big, but it's big enough for us. And I'm using such a big pan because when I put the noodles and stuff in it, I wanted they to mix everything up. Run my towel, laughing at me. Put that over there. Let me just chop this away. Put this on a medium heat and let cook. My noodles is almost done. I didn't want you guys to really see me. I had to go through the whole noodle process.
I'm tired. I get goofy, but I'm tired.
Okay. This is a quick recipe. This is a Happy Tuesday recipe, you guys. Yes. Making noise, huh? Let's turn my hamburgers up. It's a nice, quick Saturday night meal. Even when you get home from work, if you already have your hamburger thrown out, it's quick. It takes less. This is a 30-minute meal, honestly. It takes less than 30 minutes to make this. Because you know, once you get that water boiling, macaroni noodles take no more than 10 to 12 minutes. The bowl, hamburger, about around that same time to brown. Now, everything else that you're going to need. I didn't feel like having all those seasonings out. But let me tell you what I got here. In my bowl, I got to do it slow so I can remember. In my bowl, I have 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and of course I'm going to use my pepper. I didn't put the pepper in here because I like pepper. I don't know how much pepper I'm going to use, so I'm just going to sprinkle, you know, with my pepper. That's up to you guys. But 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika. I did it, and I remember. Girl, sometimes the brain is a terrible thing to waste. I ain't wasting that one. And of course, you're going to need some milk. You can use 2% milk, whole milk. I prefer whole milk. This is a fatty dish. Just let you guys know. It's a fatty dish. Okay, because you got your milk, you got your cheeses. Okay, and I had some mild cheddar cheese. No. Oh, 8 cups will not be going in here. This will be for something else different. But I'm using it for this tonight and freeze the other half. So let's cook this burger. I'm not going to put any seasoning on the burger just yet because I'm going to let you know when the seasoning go in. That macaroni is really, really done. Yeah, cut that off for me. I'm going to drain that and get back to you guys. When we come back, hopefully, this hamburger will be nice and done. And we just be ready to mix everything up together. And have you a quick 30-minute meal, a quick hamburger helper. You guys are going to love the flavor. So, squad, I'm back. So, look, my macaroni noodles are done. My hamburger is done. I drained all the grease off of it and everything. Now, as far as the milk, I'm going to say we're going to go in with like a cup of milk, you guys. This is going in just like that. Yes, a cup of milk. I'm going to turn my stove on low. On a medium. Have a cup of milk there. Now, again, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika. And then my pepper is going to be whatever. Because you know I told you guys I like the pepper. And always, if you're making a lot for your family, you can always double your seasoning, guys. I like that. I'm sorry. double your seasoning. Ooh, that smells good. Yes, it do. Okay. And I might should have doubled my seasoning. So I'm just going to put a little bit more of this chili powder. But I want any more paprika, but I do want to do more garlic. And remember, guys, just taste it. A little bit more onion powder. But I am doing a very large one. So I should have used 2 teaspoons of everything. I didn't want to overpower my stuff. Okay. My hamburger noodles going in. My hamburger noodles. Here, they stuck together. There you go. Ooh. You know, this is only a 16 ounce. There you go. And where the cheese at? It's getting there. This is a whole lot. You smell the chili powder. It smells so good. I'm just trying to mix it all up. And you go in with your cheese.
Oh, you put macaroni?
I don't need no more macaroni. As this, guys, this part is up to you on how much cheese you want to put in here. Oh, we're going to start off with just this little bit because oh no, we must definitely do more cheese. I just need to stir, and that's why I use the large pan that I used. You might need to, you might even need to add more milk.
I was thinking the same thing in my head just now.
But this is my hamburger helper, the way I make it for my family. They love it. And I'm making a mess, as usual. But that's okay. Oh yeah, come on in with some more cheese. Brandon said, more cheese. Add more cheese, baby. Going in with some more cheese, you guys. Brandon said, and I'm going in with a bit more paprika, just to give it the color. The paprika really don't have a taste. Everything is adjustable when you're cooking.
No, I just want to see the cheese coming in there.
Oh yeah. It's so quiet. I got people standing around. I always got people standing around. Remember, as much as look, I got a mess right there. Yes, because it depends on how big you make it on those seasonings. If you have to triple those seasonings, you can do that. You can. Ooh, wait. So guys, we're back. Again, I still make the mess. I wipe the stove off and I still have hamburger going everywhere. It's all good. So this is cheesy enough for me and my family. Look at that, my hamburger helper. Again, if you're making like a large pan of this, kind of triple those flavors so that you can have enough. I did add a little bit more paprika, a little bit more seasoning. So it's all about taste and everything, you guys. But those are the seasonings that you will be using. And yes, you want more cheese in this, Brandon? Yeah, this is cheesy. This is hamburger helper, my way for my family. And this is our Monday night dinner. We're gonna plate this. I'm gonna wipe the stove off again and we'll be right back. Guys, we're back for the last time. And again, just add a little bit of seasoned salt or some salt, whatever you need. Remember, it's all about flavor. I always like a little bit of green. So I'm going in with some parsley flakes on top. This is what I do. This is what I like. Okay, my hamburger helper, it tastes great. So remember, if you're making a big batch of this, you guys, just remember to always triple your seasoning, taste your food, see if it's missing something. I already got some down there because I taste something. See if it's missing anything. Why are you laughing?
No.
Ooh, that is hamburger helper. I don't know who's gonna eat this plate. Brandon Waller, you laughing at me?
No. Yeah, I'm sleepy.
Hamburger helper, you guys. My way. Your 30-minute meal. Like, share, subscribe. Until next time, SoulfulT, I am out. I have more chicken to cook.
I smell the ranch now.
Yes. But this is my ranch chicken, you guys. This is the most easiest recipe that you can ever think of. The ranch seasoning, the ranch dipping, fry your chicken with no seasoning.